Hello, I am Marc Tetreault, author of the upcoming book series Close Your Eyes and Watch. 5 books written during the pandemic, aiming at contributing to your big life shifting. You, who's listening to me right now, and whom I would like to hear too, tell me what is dear to your heart. My goal is to change the course of your life for the best. This is much better than just the better, okay? It's for the best. So for achieving that, I understood that I needed to improve so I can contribute to your improvement. Because I didn't know how to involve you in your own process and listening to you, not only talk to you, okay? I did not know how to improve myself on that, okay? And as long as I do not improve, the communication I will have with anybody is less than much better that it could have been, okay? So today, I will experience the 3rd day of 3 days in Raymond's Aaron's speaker and communication workshop. And I can't wait to live, to taste that Sunday, we are on Sunday, from Raymond's gentle, caring roar, his know-how and experience. The most fabulous and powerful big learning I got so far, but I'm sure I will learn even more today, is gaining the highly improved ability to speak to you, so I can positively impact the most on your existence. And I understood that the highest impact in my life could be to impact many other people, and the highest impact in your own life is not to impact only your own life, but the life of many people. And you need to pass through communication for that. And how does Raymond is achieving that? By many simple but powerful ways, involving you, whom I might meet once in my soon future, hopefully, and your soon future too, in a much more meaningful, constructive, mutually fulfilling, and rewarding quality communication. Like you and I, and by what you and I can share together and achieve in our own life through communication. Like all of that. And because all of that, Raymond is amazing.